Once upon a time, there was a sum of 12. The sum of 12 lived in a place called Integer Land.
I was in a whole different world. There were numbers everywhere.
The city is set up like a number line.
The residents inside seemed to all like math. I knew I needed to make something related to integers. They're my favorite subject in math.
When you enter the world, you become a number based on the letters in your name.
Find the first letter's values on the math table and add them.
It was a beautiful day as I was riding the bus to school calculating a sum for integers.
Once upon a time, there was these two best friends that had a great friendship. But one day, they toned.
When I added the letter's secret values, the sum was positive and the word was normal.
I took the marker from the teacher and closed her eyes and placed her hand against the board. I shook the absolute values, sums, additive inverse, number lines, and integers swirl around her until her mind only had one number in front of her.
The answer to the problem is -11. Now all I have to do is find the absolute value.
I would determine the size of the words based on the value of the word, and if the value is negative, I would make it positive by printing the word backwards, kind of like EJ here.
When the government said I was a citizen, people rushed to find my absolute value.
They said when you have negative weight, you turn around forever. Luckily for me, I was positive weight.
I got sucked in by a glowing thing in the sky a couple weeks ago. There were weird math problems on the walls, like the absolute value of -3 is 3.
Suddenly, a thick fog blew through and swept up the numbers, getting some jumbled up and reversed according to the sums on the scroll of knowledge, and they were swept up into the clouds above the mountains of art and color.
I also love art, and this town made me realize that art and math could be one.
Ever since I pushed the link wordart.com, I have been known as the integer of my name, -30. After pushing the link, everything changed.
I was trying to find a way to make math into art for art class.
To start off, it gave all of my words and numbers, cool fonts, fun colors, and even cool backgrounds. If your absolute value is positive, you get the best class drum, and instead of taking the bus home, you get a free Uber.
Soon I saw I was on the famous page called Word Art.
It was beautiful and was called the Great Word Cloud.